camera in the water.
I won't. Okay, this is a little tiny waterfall, and so is, where is it? Well, there's one in there, even if you can't see it, and it's hard. There's one there, too. There it is. And then there's this wall of them. You can see this wall of what looks like mud is moving. Yeah, those are little waterfalls. Okay, now, we are going to look down here and see if we can see something else. If not, I'll just keep going. But that's really cool. Okay. There's one. This one I just grabbed a little. Okay. Hopefully this will work. This could be like a nature film. You could like put this on planet Earth. You can't really see that one, but it's there. You can see this one better. There's something there. Okay. This is taking too long. What's going on? Okay, you can follow this tiny little stream. And I'm going to try and find a subject. Okay, you look down there, and you can see these little black specks. Oh, and also my shadow. You can see these little tiny black specks. Those are tadpoles. Little tiny tadpoles. You can see them. There's one. There's two. You can also see my shadow really well. Okay, we're going down. We're going down this little river. Hopefully we'll see something funny. Oh, there it is. There. Do you see it? Okay, I'm gonna try and find a good spot. Here's a good spot. Okay, we're gonna wait. Sit here. The little tadpole goes by. There's one. There's one. Did you see it? There it is. See? It's being carried upstream.